not to have a hot take, but okay, all right. Let me kind of go through my thought process. First of all, let me just preface this by saying I'm not saying Bitcoin is bad technology. This is the part where all the BTC maximalists really tune out, right? BTC has great technology, right? So now that we have that out of the way, we're looking at this as value investors. And value investors, you don't just blindly look at the technology. You also look at the price. What price are you getting? Right? So looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin can be great technology, but not a good investment. Meaning that what's the likelihood of Bitcoin doing a 10x or 100x versus the likelihood of some other cryptocurrency that has a lower valuation, right? So looking at Blockstack, for example, Blockstack's market cap is less than 30 million. So in our opinion, we think Blockstack has probably a higher chance of doing a 10x or even a 100x. Right? 10x just gets Blockstack to 300 million market cap. 100x gets it to 3 billion market cap. Now, that's not to say that Blockstack is ever going to do that, because obviously there are no guarantees in investing. But as a risk taker, we have to look at the possible rewards, right? Risk versus to reward ratio. Now, once again, we're not saying Bitcoin is dead or Bitcoin is bad project or bad cryptocurrency. We're just saying, yes, we have some Bitcoin, but purely having all our eggs in one basket in Bitcoin is not a smart idea. I mean, we have to diversify, right? One thing the BTC Maximals don't tell you is, I mean, having all your eggs in one basket is a bad idea. So diversifying into some altcoins, not into every altcoin, but into a select few group of altcoins that have the potential to do well based on deep fundamental analysis, deep code reviews, and technology reviews does make sense, especially if they're heavily undervalued, right? With a market cap of under 30 million, right? So, I mean, in my opinion, going back to what this person said, right? Bitcoin is for the herd or for the sheep. I think there's some truth to that, right? Obviously, it's not 100% true. Bitcoin is a great project, but I mean, if you're doing what everybody else is doing, why are you investing? I mean, might as well just invest in an index fund. Okay, I mean, if you want average gains, yes, right? If you want a safe investment, yes. But our strategy is to be exposed to, I mean, because in the book, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, which is a classic book on value investing, they say diversification means having minimum 10 investments and maximum 30. Right? So, for example, the Dow Jones has the top 30 companies in the US stock market, right? That's how they did multi-diversified investment index. So you can maybe do the same thing in crypto, but I would say definitely minimum 10. Now, how you split up the pie varies based on your strategy. You can divide it up evenly, or you can divide it up based on market cap, based on price, or based on the grades on token metrics. It's all up to you, right? So with the indexes we're creating, we're planning to divide it up probably based on our grading system. So definitely stay tuned on that. No time frame on when that's going to launch, but we think, I mean, we love to diversify. And if the BTC Maximals want to kill us for that, for being smart investors and diversifying our investments, I mean, let them take that L. Let them take that L.